All the kids stop after hearing this.
Does that mean this big spider is none other than Monty?
Gattu quickly goes and removes the spider mask from Monty's face.
Because of him, everything got even dirtier. Look, all the water is also spilled.
Come on, guys, let's complain about this at Monty's house.
What?
No, don't do that. I'm leaving from here.
No, you don't have to go anywhere. But you'll have to help us clean all this mess.
What? Your help?
Yes, our help. Otherwise, we'll go to your house and complain, and you'll be in a lot of trouble.
Monty, afraid of the scolding, agrees to Gattu.
Okay, fine. I'll do it.
Then all the children start cleaning the playroom together again.